What's up, guys? Want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, just follow these instructions and you could be the next winner. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this new app that pays you to do nothing at all. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop the comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this app, as you can see at the beginning, I am doing a free money giveaway. So I'm trying to get to 6,000 subscribers. Once I get to 6,000 subscribers, hopefully it'll be on January 15th, I'm going to reward 2 people with the free money. And all you have to do is follow those instructions. Click on that link in the description and the comments below, type Grind Family, and you could be the lucky winner. All right, guys, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this app. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of the website is Honey Game. Now, it says here, passive income effortlessly. Now, I am showing you a website, but they do have an app, and I'll show you the app in a few minutes. So, with Honey Game, you can make money just for sharing internet. Start earning now. And you probably say, sharing internet? I'll explain to you in just a moment how that works. So let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So, easy way to earn passive income. With Honey Game, start making money online in just a few minutes. Simply install the app on your device, sign up for a free account, lean back and watch your balance increase. So earn without compromising security. Your internet traffic is used by trusted partners only, and the app itself does not gain access to your device's storage. With Honey Game, earn without having to worry. So guys, you don't have anything to worry. They're not checking out your information or anything. They're not getting any of your private information. All they're just using this for to look at the traffic. And so make a difference by helping out. So help other internet users just like you, as well as reputable companies. Your shared traffic allows making crucial online operations and streaming geo-blocked content possible. So that's what they're doing, guys. That's why they looking at your shared traffic. So it's going to help on geo-block content possible. So it makes that possible, guys. And here how it works. So you set up by downloading the app. You run the Honey Game. And let it gather all the information. Then it's going to help businesses. So companies use this to gather bits for various services. And then you get paid. So earn passive income by employing your connected devices. So you can have more than one device, guys. You can have it on your phone, your laptop. So guys, you can make money from all different type of devices. And this is how much your estimated earnings. So your earnings are estimated based on GB amount of traffic you share with Honey Game's network. The more you share, the more you earn. So again, you can do up to 3. They say 3 devices. You can do more than 3 devices, but 3 devices are recommended. You can get $19 and more every month, guys. Very simple passive income. You don't have to do anything but download this app, let it stay on there, and you go to the bank every month. All right, now let's go to the app and look at the rating and review. Okay, I'm in the Apple App Store. So here you go. Let's scroll down to the rating. Okay, guys, so the rating is 4.1 out of 5. Look like they don't have any reviews. So this is a good app. Anything over 4 stars is good app, guys. So you can make some passive income with this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and make some passive income, go ahead and go to the Apple App Store and download HoneyGram, Make Money Online. Now I want to show you one other app that you can use that'll make you some passive income right now. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store, and I have talked about this app before in the past, but I want to bring it up again because it's a good app to make some passive income. And this is some more earned cash rewards. So let's read a little bit about it. So some more is a lock screen rewards app that allows you to earn points in exchange for us placing ads and content on the lock screen. So all you're gonna do is allow them to put ads on your lock screen. So every time your phone is locked and you want to get on, they're gonna show an ad before you actually go to the home screen of your phone. And that's how you'll get paid, by just letting those ads view on your phone. And so here how it works. So earn points. We'll show you relevant content and ads on your lock screen. And you'll earn points every day. Redeem those points for gift cards from realtors and lock screen cash. And you get bonus offers. You can include trials, app downloads and videos, refer and earn. So you can refer this app to somebody and you can earn some money that way. And so let's look at the review and the rating. So the rating is 4.3, very good, out of 5 stars. And let's read one review. So one review right here for the face. This person says, I've been using this app for a really long time, almost 3 years, and I have redeemed around 5 gift cards. So this person has been using this app for about 3 years, and they've been redeeming their points for gift cards, guys. So this app is legit, and you can get paid from this app. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you want to go ahead and start on this app, go to the Google Play Store and look up some more earned cash rewards. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today in this video. And please, guys, share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thanks again for your support. Keep supporting me. Road to 6,000. Let's get there so I can reward this money to 2 people. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day. Get your grind on. Yeah, get your grind on.